अरे हो ना बापरे
आपल्यालाच बघतात सगळे
With me, I have CK. Now he is a Mollican cockatoo, and these birds are also known as the salmon-crested cockatoo because of the color of their crest. So these birds they can be found in the eastern part of Indonesia called the Moluccas Island. And CK here cavities and tree hollows like this one to build their nest. That's right. So speaking about nesting, they use materials like tree barks, dried leaves, and even twigs. And they will drop them into the nest. But if a nest cavity is too small, they will use and get this started by putting this twig all inside. Oh, so cute.
If you want to see what it looks like from the inside, take a look at the screen.
The screen. Oh, look at that! Look at him, he's so cute.
Is that CK?
CK. Oh, Genevieve and CK. Look at that. Okay, by Genevieve the rooster.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone meet Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. Now before Quincy hears us anything else, he would like to welcome all of you. Quincy? Welcome! Oh, a bit of a shortcut there. He's actually supposed to say welcome to Parrot Paradise. Quincy, let's try this again, alright? Welcome! Parrot! There we go! Previous cat right there. Now, let's try, a high-tech sound. The ringing telephone. Let's give it up for Quincy!
Something very simple. How about a nice hello? Hello! Ah, there you go. That was a nice and sweet hello. Well, listen up because he is going to introduce himself. So tell everyone here your name. Amigo! Amigo! His name is on the screen, but we hear that one more time. What's your name? Amigo! Amigo, it is! Now, Amigo, you see, there's so many of them here today. So how would you like to greet all these nice people? How? Whoa! You should catch that! celebrating your birthdays. So get your video cameras ready and amigo, let's sing it!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Birds are recognized by their distinctive feature over their beaks called apex. It can just be a small ridge or it can even be big and brightly stability when they are hopping up and down branches. Would you like to hop up to Genevieve's head? Yes? Alright, and there we go. Can we give them a round of applause? Alright, so Hop-on Reef-on wheels, they can be found in help them get debris out of their eyes when they are flying through the vents.